pursuit from Dillard, Slidell. Foot pursuit for Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair. Follow him, follow him. Go, go, go.
This is one of the most unconventional and resourceful pursuits you will ever see. It starts when a plainclothes officer in a busy shopping center intercepts a pair of brazen shoplifting suspects. But when the suspects bolt for their getaway car, the officer has to improvise. Watch as this dedicated officer turns a foot pursuit into a high-stakes, civilian-assisted car chase, leading to a dramatic traffic takedown. This is pure hustle, raw street smarts in textbook communication under pressure.
How you doing, ma'am?
I didn't take anything.
Okay. Come on, walk with me.
The incident kicks off at a Dillard store. The officer attempts an initial stop, but the female suspect immediately chooses flight. The officer quickly relays key descriptors over the radio. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair. This rapid description is crucial for setting up the perimeter.
All right.
I didn't take anything, sir. I mean...
Come on and walk. Foot pursuit from Dillard, Slidell. Foot pursuit for Dillard. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair.
The suspects, now confirmed to be two individuals, a man and a woman, bolt for their vehicle, a silver Buick. The moment the suspect enters the vehicle, the threat level elevates. The officer has seconds to get the license plate, HBH031. That quick identification of the plate while running is an essential skill and the key to solving this case.
Towards Old Navy, trying to get in the car. What? Silver Buick! Get out! Stop! Stop the vehicle! Stop it! HBH031, Mississippi, HBH.
The officer is now losing the visual on a felony suspect, but instead of abandoning the pursuit, he makes a bold split-second decision. He hits a ride with a civilian. Listen as he quickly apologizes to the driver and immediately uses the vehicle to regain sight of the suspects.
031, Mississippi, Silver Buick going towards Marshall's. Follow him, follow him. Go, go, go.
Now operating from an unmarked civilian vehicle, the officer's communication becomes his greatest weapon. He maintains sight, reporting their trajectory toward the town center circle and the interstate. This relies entirely on trust and clear, concise direction, utilizing a civilian's help to prevent the suspects from escaping.
Left, they went left. I don't know where they went.
It's around. It's right, they're right there. They're going around the back.
Go and give them there.
They're going right.
They're turning right towards, on town center, towards the circle. I'm in a vehicle with a civilian. I'm going to try to keep sight of him. Just go, just go. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You were running and I was trying to...
You're going out towards Primo?
10-4. It turned right onto town center towards the circle. Trying to see if I can keep sight of them somewhere. They're around the circle towards town center.
You see them?
Yeah. They're going around the circle.
All right.
They went around the circle already. They're up ahead in traffic.
I'm at Primo in 10.
It's a white male driver, bearded. White female, brown hair, gray shirt, blue jeans, thin build.
I'm at Primo and Town Center where I can see and turn off. Which way?
I'm going
Get in this middle lane. Trying to see if I can spot it in the traffic circle.
Using the traffic circle as his surveillance platform, the officer masterfully locates the silver Buick, providing an incredibly specific location. In front of a black Dodge in the right lane, HBH031. This precision prevents any confusion for the responding marked units.
Is that them right there?
It's right in front of a gray Dodge. It's in front of a black. It's in front of a black Dodge in the right lane, getting ready to turn towards the interstate. Behind a silver SUV in front of a black Dodge pickup. HBH031.
We got it.
Okay, yeah, okay.
This is the payoff. The officer orders the suspects out, leading to an immediate surrender. Both are taken into custody quickly. Despite the chaotic chase, the suspects are detained safely.
Here you go, sir. Thank you for your service.
Get out of the vehicle! Shut it off! Shut the vehicle off! Stop! Do not move! Put your hands up! Get out!
The male driver immediately starts denying the crime. I didn't do nothing. The officer's response is textbook. He immediately Mirandizes both suspects. This quick action ensures that any potential statements made later can be used in court, protecting the integrity of the felony arrest. The chase is over and the evidence, stolen merchandise, and the vehicle used for evasion is secured.
On the ground! On the ground!
I didn't do nothing. Hey, my car is rolling, sir. I didn't do anything. Sir, what did I do?
All right, 2 in custody. Code 4, everybody back it down.
What did I do?
Roll over. Hey, look at me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, have one present with you while you any questions. You cannot afford one, won't be appointed a representative for any question. So at any time to exercise your rights, not answer any questions, make any statement. Do you understand your rights? You know exactly why. Get up. We're not grabbing nothing.
This incident is a phenomenal case study in dedication and improvisation. The officer's willingness to go from a full sprint to coordinating a chase from a civilian's passenger seat is what ultimately secured the arrest of these suspects. That level of resourcefulness is what separates a good cop from a great one. What was your favorite part of this unconventional chase? The foot pursuit or the civilian hitchhike? Let us know in the comments. And if you think retail theft is brazen, you need to see our last breakdown. Click right here to watch Bodycam, caught on camera Metro employee's $400 cash app heist. See what happens when a trusted employee turns an assistance call into a felony. If you want to see more real-world tactical policing and incredible Bodycam moments, hit the like button and subscribe right now.